Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk through the latest update to action items in FM Dashboard. To begin, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the portal. Previously, the action items button was moved next to the global search field. With this update, it has been relocated back to the left navigation menu for quicker and easier access. Simply click Action Items from the left menu to view all of your action items in one place. From here, you can quickly access work orders across all available statuses without navigating through the global search area. This enhancement provides a more intuitive navigation experience and makes it faster to get to the work items that need your attention.